Henan Zhongrui Machinery specializes in designing and manufacturing advanced oil pressing equipment, including those tailored specifically for cottonseed oil extraction. Their product line offers a range of options suitable for both small-scale and large industrial operations. The equipment provided by Zhongrui not only ensures high oil yield, but also maintains the nutritional integrity of the ester. One of the standout features of Zhongrui's offerings is the commitment to energy efficiency and environmental sustainability. By incorporating cutting-edge technology into their machines, in addition to their robust machinery, Henan Zhongrui Machinery prides itself on providing exceptional customer service. From initial consultation to after-sales support, their team works closely with clients to ensure that all requirements are met and any concerns are promptly addressed. Whether you're a newcomer to the oil processing industry or an experienced operator seeking to upgrade your facilities, for those looking to invest in durable, efficient, and technologically advanced cottonseed oil extraction equipment, Henan Zhongrui Machinery stands out as a trusted partner. With years of experience and a proven track record of delivering quality products, the company continues to be a go-to choice for businesses worldwide. If you're ready to elevate your oil production capabilities,